We simplify a fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same value. So if we have x to the fifth over x cubed, we can think of this as x times x times x times x times x over x times x times x. If we divide the top and bottom by x, those go away. Divide the top and bottom by x again, those go away. Divide the top and bottom by x one last time, those go away. There's nothing more to cancel on the bottom, leaving us with x squared on the top, which we will frequently just write as x squared. Likewise, x cubed over x to the fifth will be x times x times x, and on the bottom we have 5 x's multiplied out. So when we go through and cancel here, we divide the top and bottom by x, that goes away, divide the top and bottom by x, that's gone, and then one more is gone, leaving us with 2 x's in the bottom, or 1 over x squared. It is important not to think of canceling as drawing lines through variables. We must always think of it as division. This will help us as we progress through our algebra, and we can avoid some common mistakes. The 2 examples we've done so far motivate our rule for simplifying. So x to the m over x to the n is equal to x to the m minus n. So if we have x to the fifth over x cubed, this is x to the 5 minus 3, or x squared, which is exactly what we got a moment ago. Likewise, if we have x cubed over x to the 9th, this will be x to the 3 minus 9, or x to the negative 6, and we don't like to leave our answers with a negative exponent, so we will move that down to the bottom and change the sign. So we can try a problem that has multiple variables in it, and we still follow the same principles. So if we subtract the exponents, that's going to give us a to the 3 minus 4, b to the 8 minus 4. So we have a to the negative 1, b to the 4th. We want to move this down to the bottom of the fraction. We can imagine that that's part of a fraction. Move the a to the negative 1 down to the bottom and change the sign. And for our final simplification, we don't usually write things with an exponent of 1. We just write it as that variable. So this would become b to the 4th over a.